Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel and to another video. Very recently today actually I seen a video up from Kirsty of Nail Nails, and she did this gorgeous mermaid tail nail. I'd seen Nail Fairy do one. She works alongside the Glitter Planet and she did one ages ago, and I was like, oh wow, must do that. So when Kirsty put one up, she said she'd love to see everybody give it a go. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to give this a go. So I don't have any clear acrylic powder left. Really that's what I'd want to be working with today, but I am just going to start with champagne pink. I am working off a tip because I want it super long. Obviously these are like so much longer than my own. On the back of a nail form, I have kind of with a pencil drawn out a shape-ish that I might like. I don't even know if it's going to be big enough, but we'll hope and see how we get on. I'm going to throw my gloves on because I don't know how well my allergies are going to hang up to this acrylic liquid, because it has been a minute since I've used acrylic. So just watch and see how I get on. Next then I just smooth all the edges with a hand file. Again, I have this sped up by 8 times, otherwise we'd be watching all day. Just using some brush on nail glue, I'm just going to glue these fins to the bottom of the nail. I will then reinforce that glue with some clear builder gel and just make it all smooth and in line with the tip itself. Just then applying that builder gel along the full length of the nail tip, along the fins and to the joint, on both sides of the fin, and then curing. From Elite 99, using 4909 and 4915, a teal and a purple gel polish, and then I'm going to apply these in no particular pattern. I just don't want them too symmetrical on the nail, and then I will use the fan brush just to blend the edges of the two colours before I go in then and put any of my glitters on top. So I have that cured in the lamp now, and I'm going to go in with Glitter Planet's Shook and also Glitter Planet's Galaxy. I also show another small hex one, but I don't actually use this one in the end. But if you are interested, that last one there is from Sarah from nailstampingqueen.co.uk. Now if you are interested in any of the Glitter Planets glitters, I do have a 10% discount if you just use the word polished in your cart from Glitter Planet. You will get 10% off anything from their website. I don't make any money off this. I'm not affiliated or anything. They were just so good enough to give me a discount code for all you guys, so it's only fair that I would share it with you, and I'm really delighted that they did, because I do use their glitters an awful lot. I was, to be honest, using at different companies a lot but I just think the glitter planets are much nicer. So yeah, so I got a code for you guys. Isn't that so cool? So I'm just dabbing all this in. The two of them I will dab in, this Galaxy one and the Shook one. They're very similar when they're going over these type of colours, but it just looks stunning. So we'll go in with that before we go in with any of the embellishments. Just obviously top coating them with OPI's gel top coat and then macuring for 30 seconds to seal all that loveliness in. So then going in with my favourite builder gel, I am just going to use this to build the scale lines, and I'll do this twice just to make them stand out, obviously curing in between. So there we have the base of the nail. I'm just going to wipe over with some gel cleanse solution. Now to the camera, I don't really think you can see the scales that I have done. So what I am going to do is, just for the scales, I'm going to go in on top with this Born Pretty unicorn powder, but I only want it on the scales and I'm hoping it'll stick. It may not. I might have to go in again with some. Perfect. So there we go. We have got some scales. So of course I'm not done. I'm never done. So I have these pearls and this little wheel which has some seashells and some little, I was going to say unicorns, but they're not. They're seahorses, and some feathers and things. Obviously I'm not going to put some feathers on it, but like I'd have to put some of those little shells on. And there's a starfish in here as well somewhere, so I think it may be glued shut because I can't move it. So I'm going to take them out of the wheel off camera, and then I'll stick them onto this amazing nail. So I'm just going to cure that then, and we are done. So there it is. There is my mermaid tail nail. I know I don't usually post any videos on a Wednesday, but after Kirsty put up and she was asking us all nail techs out there to do it, and I really loved the one that Lorna had done as well, from the glitter, from Ninja Nail Fairy. She works alongside Glitter Planet, I think. So I will link both of their pages below. But do you like it, guys? What do you think? Would you wear it? I'd actually wear that. Let me see how wearable it would be. Will we try and stick it on? I don't think it would be too wearable. I reckon it might get in the L way. There we go. It's so wearable. Oh, now I don't know what happened there. Sorry, my camera has gone all wacky, but here it is on my nail. Not too wearable really now, is it? But you know me, maybe I would. So there we go, something very different. I have got some big plans for these type of nails. I would love to do a real spiral unicorn one. I would love to do planets. So if you want to see any of them, guys, just put some comments below, or even if you have any ideas of anything really different or cool or funky that you might want to see me do, just ask and I will attempt. I may fail, but I will attempt. So if you like this video, guys, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, which is just here. And of course, I have another video for you to have a look at just over here. So until the next one, stay safe. We'll see you soon. Bye.